Good day everyone. Welcome to Vidya Career Talks. So today we are going to deal with the second year botany, how to prepare for upcoming board exam. Let's see what topics are there and how to prepare for upcoming exam. So you all know that in second year botany, totally we have 14 chapters. So out of 14 chapters, what chapters are so important for 2 marks, 4 marks and 8 marks? Does we have to study all of them? 8 marks means it is very difficult, right? There will be a lengthy answers. So what chapters you have to study for 8 marks? So you all know that out of all these 14 chapters, please be thorough with the chapter called Biotechnology Principle, which is 11th chapter, where 100% you're going to get one question from this chapter called Biotechnology and its Principles. And one more LAQ will be from Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. So from Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production also, you're going to get one LAQ, 8 marks. But sometimes Board of Intermediate Education may not follow the blueprint. So it may go beyond the level of the blueprint. If they go, what could be the other chapter where you're going to get 8 marks from? Then it will be from Microbes in Human Welfare. Most of the students think that if they see the blueprint, they think that Microbes in Human Welfare is not given for LAQ or for 8 marks. But you should be thorough enough because chances are there where we get 8 marks even from Microbes in Human Welfare. So please be thorough with the chapters like Biotechnology Principles and Strategies and Microbes in Human Welfare for 8 marks. You're going to get one more 8 mark from Respiration and Photosynthesis, but it is lengthy, it's very difficult. So within less period of time, if you want to get the answer very easily, then the better chapters are these chapters. So be thorough with Biotechnology Principles, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production and Microbes and Human Welfare for 8 mark answers. Then goes with 4 marks. What are the chapters important for 4 marks? You can see here, first 5 chapters. From these first 5 chapters itself, you're going to get 3 4 marks. So if you're thorough with this, easily out of 6, you have to write 6 SAQs, right? 6 4 marks. So from those 6, 3 you're going to get from these first 5 chapters only. And after that, one compulsory question from Plant Growth and Development. 100% you're going to get one SAQ from Plant Growth and Development, so it covers nearly 4 SAQs over there itself. And one more from Molecular Basis of Inheritance and one more from Principles of Inheritance. So all your 6 marks are all your 6 questions which you need to attempt for 4 marks is already done here. Got it, students? So what are the chapters which you have to prepare for 4 marks? Molecular Basis of Inheritance, Principles of Inheritance, Plant Growth, Respiration, Photosynthesis, Enzymes, Mineral Nutrition, Transport in Plants. More than enough to get full marks in case of SAQs. Then for 2 marks, what are the chapters you have to study? To get 60 out of 60, all the 14 chapters are equally important. All the 14 of them are equally important for 2 marks. Ma'am, I want to get like 45 around or something. You can skip some of them. But still, number of 2 marks questions are very, very less given in your material or in your textbooks. So better go through all the 2 marks from the 14 chapters. Right, students? So this is how you have to prepare for your second year Board of Intermediate Education with Botany subject. So all the best and do well. Don't become panic. Mostly they will follow the blueprint, but still, if they doesn't follow, we have told you some of the chapters where you have to go through if they go beyond our blueprint. That is from second year chapter, it is Microbes and Human Welfare, where you can get one LAQ. Please concentrate even on that. Writing the exam is one kind of a thing. Attempting the exam is one kind of a thing. Ma'am, I wrote all the answers, but still I didn't get 60 out of 60. This is the question will be addressed by the students. What could be the reason? The reason is presentation. Presentation is utmost important in your exam. Always begin your answers with long answers. That gives you an additional criteria for giving the marks. Ma'am, it's wrong answer. Still they give no. It has to be the appropriate answer for the given question, but still begin with long answers and give best presentation. Use color pencils if you have to draw the diagrams because it will be on ruled paper, but still do it with your color pencils, so that will be an added advantage. So presentation is also equally important. Students, writing the answer, it's not only sufficient. So presentation is also equally important. So all the best. Please follow these guidelines and prepare well. Students, if you have any queries regarding this, what are the topics, still if you have any doubts regarding the topics and all, please put a comment in the comment box so that we will get back to you. Thank you.